Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to master IELTS Writing Task 1 for General Training Test. I will show you exactly what to write, how to structure your answer, and the most common mistakes that stop candidates from getting band 7 or higher. In General Training Task 1, you are asked to write a letter. It can be formal, semi-formal, or informal, and you should aim for at least 150 words. This task may look simple, but many candidates lose easy marks because they don't follow the task properly. Before you write anything, you must identify the type of the letter. The tone and language completely depends upon this. Writing an informal phrases like "Hi buddy" in a formal letter can seriously lower your score. Examiners use 4 criteria. Task achievement means answering all bullet points. Coherence and cohesive are about organizing and linking. Lexical resources is your vocabulary, and grammar looks at accuracy and sentence variety. A clear structure helps the examiner immediately understand your letter. Think of your letter as a professional email. Every paragraph has a job. Greetings and signs off. Your greeting and sign off must match the letter type. This is an easy score area. Do not lose marks here. Let's have a look to one example. Writing a strong opinion paragraph. I'm writing to complain about a product I recently purchased from your online store. Your opinion paragraph should immediately show the examiner that you understand the task. Never copy the question word for word, always paraphrase. Many candidates lose marks by ignoring one bullet point or giving very short answers. Treat each bullet point like a mini question that must be fully answered. Tone is not about difficult vocabulary. It's about choosing the right words for the situation. Simple but accurate language is always better than risky and advanced words. Let's take a look to the example. If this issue is not resolved, I will be forced to take further action. You do not need perfect grammar, but you do need variety and control. 1 or 2 complex sentences per paragraph is enough for a high band. Let's talk about the common mistakes to avoid. These mistakes are extremely common and completely avoidable. Fixing them alone can raise your score by half a band. Time management strategy. Do not rush into writing. A short plan will save you from missing bullet points and making grammar mistakes. This simple mapping technique keeps your letter logical and easy to read. Examiners love clarity. Let's talk about some unique and practical tips. Reuse safe sentence templates, memorize tone-specific phrases, count words by lines, not individually, leave one line space between paragraphs, practice writing by hand if taking paper test. These tips are rarely taught but extremely powerful. Use safe templates, reduce stress, and spacing your paragraphs improve readability instantly. Examiners are trained to reward clarity, not perfection. Focus on answering the task clearly and naturally. Improvement comes from smart practice. Don't just write, review your mistakes and fix the patterns. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what IELTS topic you want next. Good luck with your exam.